Hi
Hi
everyone.
everyone.
Welcome to URAV Advanced Learning Systems Private Limited. I am Udayshankar, Chief Technology Officer.
I am Niketha, Chief Finance Officer.
We started this company with the objective of STEAM learning for all. That is science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics. Learning which is useful for our daily life.
What is the point in making a wheeled robot if it does not do anything except roll around? If it can be used to help my mom clean the house, then I have made something useful with my learning.
We have created this package of wheeled robot vacuum cleaner which you can assemble and use at home.
So learn and create useful products.
Wow, how about making soap?
Yes, we can learn chemistry.
Isn't it called saponification?
Yes, it is.
Can I add my favorite perfume to give a personal touch?
Yes, of course, we can experiment with different perfumes and combinations too.
You can use our soap manufacturing kit with safety goggles and gloves included to manufacture soap.
Can I give it to my friends?
Yes, you can sell your own special soap.
How many legs do you need for a chair?
Good question. 4 legs?
A golden opportunity to learn engineering and mathematics and logic too. We can have a chair or stool with 1 leg, 2 legs, 3 legs, 4 legs. More legs will not be helpful, correct?
Of course.
So how about making a chair?
All you have to do is buy our chair making kit and try out different type of chairs.
Make learning easy and don't forget to sit on your own chair.
Seriously. Do you like to paint?
Yes, I do.
Me too. My mom always buys paintings to hang on the wall.
What if we can give kids the chance to learn painting and provide them the full package of canvas, frame and paints with instructions?
All they have to do is to paint and then hang it on their own walls.
Isn't that a wonderful idea?
Yeah. Now this one is very important. What we have here is a non-contact infrared thermometer, especially for the situation now.